Alright, so I finally bought a MacBook and I went for the MacBook Air M1 because my needs are not that high. I do video editing on my PC. I just needed the MacBook to be able to write and stuff when I'm on the go or while sitting on the couch or bed. So that was my main purpose. I needed a laptop and I thought finally why not get a MacBook. So here is the unboxing of the MacBook Air M1, and yeah, I'm gonna do a review later on. But right now, enjoy this particular unboxing. Alright, so this is the MacBook Air M1. I went with the 8GB to 56GB variant in the silver colorway because my needs are not that high. I only need it for portability and to use on the go. But yes, I went with the minimum specification because I was getting a discount on it and I got it from Chroma. And I got it for around 75,000 rupees. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good deal. And this is how the outer box look, and inside with a quick sliding mechanism you will see the main MacBook box, which looks plain Apple thing, which is white, and it has MacBook Air written on two sides and the Apple logo on the other two sides. And there is some information on the back. You can see the specifications, the model number, and there are some more specifications and stuff on the left side with a sticker. And after peeling on the top plastic, we get to the box, which slides out pretty easily, I would say. And overall it's a very satisfying experience. This is my first time unboxing a MacBook and I'm quite impressed. And so yeah, the top box slides easily. Then inside, first up you get the MacBook, which is quite sturdy, I would say. It has a heft to it. So keeping the MacBook aside, underneath you get some documentation, some Apple stickers, which are actually the same ones in silver, which is the laptop. So yeah, those are there. And then you get a 30-watt USB Type-C adapter along with a Type-C to Type-C cable, which is very long and quite thick. So yeah, this is all you get in the box. Now quickly unwrapping the MacBook. Here is that satisfying peel. Alright, so after this, once I peeled it off, let's just test that one hand thing. And yeah, it makes that startup noise. Pretty cool. So as soon as you open the lid, it starts up. You don't have to press anything. The Apple logo comes up, it starts up, and you see the screen saying hello in different languages. So yeah, that's the MacBook Air M1, and this was the unboxing of it. I'll soon come out with a first impressions video most probably, and then the review. So stay tuned to the channel for that. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay notified. And yeah, with that said, I'm your friend Shinobi and I'm signing out. Bye.